Hey y'all, it's your boy Darkahontas, and today we coming at you with another tutorial, well, more like a review slash first impressions of the gorgeous and the beautiful dashing diva. I know you see the material, honey. I bring it to you every week. Yes, darling. But if anything, let's go ahead and get into this good old review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, yaddy, and share, because sharing is the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? If anything, I'm not going to hold y'all up because we got some stuff to talk about. All right, let's go ahead and go. Let's go. Hey y'all, what it do, boo boo? What's the T Marie? So y'all, we're gonna be doing a review. So if you don't know, if you haven't watched my, well, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I recently got a new job, which now I'm a retail merchandiser for Dollar General stores. So I work in a lot of Dollar General stores, so I see a lot of different products. And this is a brand that I've noticed a lot. This is the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Yes, y'all. So these are like nail tabs that dry down into gel. And I thought this set was just so cute. Now, it says it lasts up to 14 days, which is 2 weeks, which is the normal amount of time that a set will supposed to last. And it comes with 24 gel nail strips. Okay. And then this is the Salon Gel Effects. No UV dry time, no soak off removal, chip resistant shine. Okay. It tells you how to apply it. You know, you apply, file, and it tells you how to remove. You gently lift off. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. It tells you cautions, you know, it gives you the cautions and it tells you what it contains. So it contains 24 nail strips, prep pad, nail file, and also instructions as it should. So as far as for this, it does have a shelf life of 12 months. And this specific is called MGS72 Honeysuckle Delight. So that's the name of this set, which is a really cute set. Yes, y'all. This is flammable. It doesn't say that it's vegan or anything like that, which I'm not surprised. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Open this bad boy. Open this bad boy. I'm not really sure how much this costs. I'm gonna do a little research and then we're gonna come back. Okay? And we're gonna see how much this stuff costs and then we're gonna get into the whole review of it, okay? Okay. Daniel, the voiceover god of these videos. What it do, boo? All right, y'all. So I did a little research for Ricky to find out how much these cost. So this is the Dollar General website, and I just pretty much looked up Dashing Diva. I pretty much looked up the name. Now, this is the one that I found. They do have multiple flavors, if you may say, flavors and styles. But they all are the same price, which they do retail for $5 in Dollar General. Now they do cost a lot more in other stores. Like if we was to go back, like as you can see, where it says, you know, as you can see here, it's like $7 at Walmart, $8 Walgreens, you know. So it costs more at other places. Ulta Beauty is like $6. DoorDash is $9. So it's a lot cheaper at Dollar General. But I just wanted to give that research part, do that for Ricky at least. That's the least I could do. Anyways, back to you, Ricky. All right. Thank you, Nathaniel. So this is what it looks like out the packaging. As you can see. And it has like these little strips. So this is how you open it. Bam, it just pops off just like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this one comes with a I have the mirror backing, but it does come with more strips. This one has more strips. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 16. And 4. So that's 20. And then this is another 4, which that makes 24. And then here are the said instructions that it gives. It comes in a little packet. So this is the little nail file they give you, which it feels like right. From the feel of it, it feels like 100 grit. It's not like too much. It's 100 grit file, so it's not going to damage the nail. And here's the prep pad. And then, of course, the instructions, how to. So wash hands with soap and water, shape nails and push back cuticles, use enclosed prep pad to ensure nails are clean from oils and residues. Make sure your nails are completely dry before application. And that's just the first step, which I already washed my hand. That's why my hands look so goddamn dry. We're going to go ahead and use the prep pad and wipe down all of the nails just to go through the process, which pretty much, if I'm not mistaken, the prep pad is just an alcohol pad, right? It's just an alcohol pad. That's it. Okay. You can see, yeah, it's just an alcohol pad. That's all. So while we're waiting for that, we're going to go into step 2. Step 2 is select size. So you want to select the strip size for each nail for optimum fit. And the strips should not exceed past the nail bed onto skin or cuticles. Gently lift strip from sheet starting from edge. And here they do have pro tips. If you are in between sizes, always choose the smaller size for a proper adhesion. Use a tweezer to lift strip from sheets more easily and limit compromising the adhesive. All right, y'all. So the bad boys can dry it down. I'm going to grab some tweezers because my nails are long anyways. First, we'll start off with the thumb. So let's see. I think this would be this. No, this would be the thumb size for me. So we're going to use the biggest one for the thumb. They don't really come with a lot of varying sizes, to be honest. I feel like they should come with maybe they can add more to the pack. That's just me. They don't come out that easy. I can say that for sure. Right. They don't peel off that easy, which some people might not say is a problem, but bam. And then we're just gonna press that bad boy down like that, like so. And then it says, step 3 is application. Place nail strip over the center of your nail, starting at cuticle line and press outwards. Press down firmly from center to side. Make sure strip is applied slightly above cuticle line, avoiding placement on skin, which that's what I did. And then step 4 is fold over excess material. Finish the nail file. Position the nail file horizontal along the contour of the nail with one sweeping motion. File firmly across the free edge, which is the tip of the nails. Be sure to file in one direction at a time. Filing from one side to side will tear the edges, which you don't want to do. So if anything, when you're using the file, you want to go in one direction, not backwards and forward. So 1, 1, not 1, 2, 1, 2. It's 1, 1. That's how they teach you how to file in nail school too. So that's actually kind of cute. I'm gonna also be adding some other stuff to this as well because I like my to be a little more, I like to add. So that's one. Let's do like one more on the cameras with you guys. So next size gonna be that size right there. Let's do the pointer finger. Use my handy dandy tweezers to get this bad boy off. Right. Okay, I'm like, come on. Oh, come on. I seen our rainbow yesterday. Yes, I mean, I play too much. I play too much. Okay. So, bam. And then from the center down. And bam. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Now, it's going to be a little difficult for me to do the rest of these because obviously they don't have all of my sizes. Right, they have varying sizes, which I am going to have to figure this shit out. But I'm a survivor, y'all. Maybe I should put one of these to add more sparkles because that kind of goes with it. I could do like a middle finger. Well, let's continue on. Let's continue on. I'll just finish this hand on camera and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's do that one. Because I might end up. I don't want to use the burgundy. I have no desire to use that color whatsoever. I want to keep the simplicity of this very to the point. Okay. From side to side, okay? And you just smooth that bad boy on out. This is such a cute design by itself. It really is. And then I'll do one more. We'll probably have to use this big one next. So should have maybe on the other hand. Maybe on the other hand. Let's see if I can take this off. See, they do come off easy. Just peel that bad boy off and bam. That's it. And bam, I just showed y'all how to remove it. But yeah, I'm going to use this one because I want to put this on the thumb actually. I actually want to put that on the thumb because I like how that one looks a lot better, to be honest. Right. That one looks a lot more better to me. See, I like how that looks a lot more better. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pretty much finish the nails. Then we're going to come back and get into the review part of this, okay? Okay, y'all. Don't keep me waiting. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and this is the set I did. It's a cute little set. A cute little fun set. But let's get into the strips. I love the strips. I feel like they're really good. Now, one thing I do wish about these strips, I wish they came in more sizes. Even though, yeah, this mostly is made for females. But, it would be nice if they kind of make them a little unisex because, hey, you got the gays out there. And the gays would most definitely buy these. But, some of these strips are a little smaller. Like if you look here, you can see like the gap here in between because even though it's the biggest pinky size, it's still like it's still too big. It's still too little, I mean. So I feel like they should maybe add more various sizes. Maybe instead of 24, maybe do 32, just to give more options as far as for that. Otherwise, the design is cute. It's a really cute design. It's really easy to add on to it. I just added some glitter to the tip just to kind of give it a little something that I can feel. I really didn't have to do that. And then I went in and just did kind of like a little French tip style. This is a really cute burgundy. I would most definitely purchase these again. I actually purchased another pack, which I'm giving to my sister. So I wanted to try these out before I actually give them to him. Now, I did a top coat, so I'm not sure, if these really will last like the 14 days. I'll have to just wait and see. But otherwise, these are Darkahontas approved. I will most definitely buy this for like family. So yes, if you guys want to try the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette, most definitely check those out at your local Dollar General. They're just $5, which is not pretty bad at all. They do have different styles, so it's not just one style that you'll have to choose from. There are multiple. So yes, y'all, that's pretty much it. I like how it came out, but if anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty Addy Addy and share, because sharing is the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? And if anything, hey, thank you guys for showing up and showing out. But yeah, your boy gotta go. I got shit to do. Okay. And until next time, peace.